is wearing the letter D? Tap them.
D.
Great! Peck is wearing the letter D. Who is wearing the letter D? Tap them.
D.
Super! Sandy is wearing the letter D. Pop all the bubbles with the letter D.
D. D. D.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter D. Trace the lowercase letter D. Cool beans! Trace the uppercase letter D. Great! You traced the letter D. All of these things start with the D sound. Tap them all and listen to the D sound at the beginning.
Door. Desk. Dice. Dog.
Keep it up. Give all the things that start with the D sound to Olo.
Dice. Doll. Dump truck.
Yay! You found them. Spell the word dog. D. Keep up the good work. Drag the letter K to Rhea. Drag the letter D to Peck. D. 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 K. 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 Nice!